This is my first vlog, just to show you what is Bordo flowers. I'm purchased here fresh flowers. Say hi! Hi. That's how a cooler looks like. This is nice too, but it's much cheaper. All our orders are coming with a greeting card who are showing all beautiful stuff, but nobody's showing what's behind the scenes. Where we take our magic picture. Good morning! Good morning! This is the day when I'm gonna start my vlog. You're welcome! No. And here we go. This is my first vlog. And honestly, it's much harder to start than it looks like. Yeah, so in my experience, you just have to go and do it and just start. That's what I'm gonna do right now. So it's Tuesday because it was Memorial Day. So today is the first day of work. I just came to the wholesale to purchase some of the flowers because that's what I'm doing like almost every 2 days or single day. I'm purchasing flowers for the shop. So I have some of the wholesalers who I'm ordering online for delivery, and same time I have who I'm visiting every day. It's much harder than you think. Unbelievable. Okay, so I have wholesalers to who I'm coming every day, almost every day. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. That's the wholesale where I just came, and let's go to find some beautiful fresh flowers. This wholesale is closer to my home, so that's why I have a possibility to come every morning and purchase here fresh flowers. I really like to purchase flowers every 2 to 3 days because we are selling them quickly and you don't have to keep a lot of stuff in your shop. So here we go. Oh my god, we just had some beautiful hauling getting in. And that's how flowers looks like. And you just get them and start processing and then making beautiful bouquets.
Jimmy was looking for him too.
And that's here we go with my sales manager, Jeff. Say hi!
Hey.
I'm starting doing a video blog.
Are you?
On my YouTube channel, yes. So yeah, here we go. That's how a cooler looks like. So we have all the flowers right here, keeping in cold temperature, and it's just so beautiful peonies. Look at those ones. My microphone died at that moment, but I want to continue the idea. The season of peonies starts in the first days of May and ends in July. The most beautiful bloom you can catch in the last days of May and first days of June. But that's not all the flowers. Mostly of them are from last week. These Monday flowers are in the main space right here. They have to process all of this. Till the end of the day, they move everything to the cooler for better freshness, for sure after they clean all this cooler. Welcome to the back of our shop. We're gonna catch a process of work.
Hello?
No, it's not. Okay, so here we have a bouquet, cutie red in process. Our Florist Irving just finished it. Yeah, I love it. And here we have 50 red roses in process. A lot of mess behind the scenes, but that's 80 centimeters of red roses. And our recommendation, it is as shorter the stem of a rose it is, as better, because the flower may drink the water quicker, so flowers stay pretty good and fresh for a longer time. All the boxes, messy place today because we're really busy. Hydrangeas right here hydrated, and we have some of the flowers just getting in our cooler. Me and our cooler with some availability in the shop. Why I decided to start filming video blogs and developing our YouTube channel. I'm feeling pretty confident in front of a camera. I really like to record videos, and I think YouTube channel is pretty good platform personally for me. just to show you what is Bordo flowers. We have a plan to post videos about our work, through what we go through. Yeah, you will gonna see a lot of things here about our personal life, about our clients, and what's going on here daily. We're gonna post our vlog one time a month or one time in 2 weeks. I don't know. Honestly, it's like this for right now. There are so many florists who are showing all beautiful stuff, but nobody's showing what's behind the scenes. Nobody say about the problems, and personally, I think that all the flowers shops, all the florists are doing the best, and I'm doing not so good. So yeah, I just want to share and show to our clients how is going this business and show part of our team, of myself. Honestly, I don't know what to expect from all those ones. I just purchased expensive camera and everything is getting crazy on prices. I didn't expect that vloggers has so many expenses going on, all those kind of supplies. But I'm just curious to see, because I always was passionate about vloggers. I have my favorites one who I'm watching every week, and yeah, finger crossed. What are you doing, Christine?
I'm writing the greeting cards.
Yeah, let me see the greeting card. Yeah, all our orders are coming with a greeting card. We have different designs. Yeah, here's like for birthday one, enjoy your flowers, which are going like the most of the time. Also we have for anniversary. Leave in comments if you like those designs. Which one is your favorite? Oh, I love it. This one is one of my favorite. Welcome, little one. Yeah, and here just can leave your message. And also we attach a key instruction for roses, bouquets. Yeah. Because I'm happy. Wow! Woo! I know we're crazy. Let's put it up. Oh my goodness. Follow us. We're just gonna show you where we take our magic pictures. Where is that magic door? The store is empty. Nobody's there. Let's run away! Here we go! Okay. So we're just gonna take some of the pictures of the flowers. It's taking sometimes more time than you think. Perfect.
Good job.
So pictures is one of the most important things, especially when you sell like a product as flowers or cake. And yeah, pictures should be pretty good. The light, the spots, and the flowers, of course. Of course. And here we go. What do you have here?
We have dinner.
Our dinner, who is working hard, is eating good.
Oh my god.
Woohoo! It's almost 3 p.m.
Look at this one.
Thank you, Kaze Sushi. Unsponsored. But today, not today. But tomorrow, never know. We just took from water the hydrangeas. Look at those bowls of ice cream. So fresh, so beautiful. Those are hydrangeas from Holland in pink color, because there are hydrangeas which are coming from Miami, and those are from Holland. Okay, let me just show you the difference between. So here we have from Florida, Miami hydrangea. Okay, just take it out. And this is Holland. You see the difference? You see how beautiful and large the flowers of hydrangea from Holland are? This is nice too, but it's much cheaper. We just work most of the time with a white one, but in a season, we order the hydrangeas from Holland. Today, it's already summer, and today I'm working from home, because when I have to deal with proposal, inquiries, I really like to work from home. I'm more concentrated, and at the shop we're always having something, calls or messages or walk-ins, and we have to all decide something. At home I'm pretty concentrated on what I have to have, and I'm more productive. My background honestly is not the best one, but I'm right now at my patio at home having a beautiful view with a lake, fountains, and I'm working right now on my bridal inquiry. We started doing weddings from last year, and mostly of orders are bridal bouquets and boutonnieres, and like some of the personals for brides, for bridesmaids, for court weddings. Yeah, mostly it's personal orders, but you can inquire on your wedding on our website, bordoflowerschicago.com, and I will be in touch with you as soon as possible. Also, I'm trying to film what I think it's interesting, and same time I'm thinking, should I film something of a personal content? A lot is going on in my life, and same time I'm thinking, does people likes to see those things? I don't know. It's not only flowers in my life. At the start, it's really hard to find yourself, to find what exactly you want to feel, what exactly your audience want to see. I think it will gonna take a little bit of time. I always was thinking like to film, it's not a big deal. You just start filming and talking, but I always judge myself thinking maybe I do it wrong, maybe it's not interesting, and especially I'm native speaker of Romanian. I know Russian, I understand a little bit of Ukraine because I'm from Moldova, and English is my second language. So when I speak English, I'm not thinking natively like all people around. My vocabulary is not so large as I wish. But yeah, in my childhood, I was watching so many video bloggers who was speaking Russian and living in the United States, and they had kind of accent, and that's what I really loved to watch in their videos. I wanted just to be part of their life, so that's why I wanted to create here, just to build a relationship between my audience and myself. Leave a comment below under this video and let me know what you will love to see. Like more of a daily routine, more of a flowers, more of talking me, more of like funny things, more of a personals. Leave your comment under this video. I would really love to share. I would really love to see your opinion. I will need a time to get where I went. But here, thank you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to Bordo Flowers channel and see you next video. Bye.